Jeff with J-Tech Diesel Class 11. Today we're going over brake adjustment. Now we're going to adjust his slack adjuster. Adjust the slack adjuster. Now right now we have the parking brake released. So you see the pads are up off the shoes. The shoes are up off the drums. So what we want to do is get the correct measurement. So the first thing we're going to do with the parking brake released, now when I'm adjusting that noise right there, you know, it sounds like it's breaking something in there or cracking something in there. That noise is completely normal on these. Now, other models will have a spindle you can either pull out or you have to take out completely before you do these adjustments. So make sure you're looking at the correct model and you know what model you're working on prior to taking anything apart. All right, so now they're completely off. So I'm going to tighten this completely down where the shoes touch the drum, where I cannot turn this anymore, this adjustment nut anymore. All right, so now they're down completely. Brakes are completely depressed. So most manufacturers state you should go a quarter to a half a turn, just for free play. But there's a couple ways to do this. Now on the side of the road, I can do that. I got that dull sound on the drum right now because the shoes are depressed. Another test I can do is if the truck was lifted up, as I tighten it down, do they spin anymore? No, they do not. So once I get to that point, I was just making sure they're nice and tight. All right, like I said, I want to go half a turn. All right. Now, if I had the wheels off the ground, I could grab the wheel and see if it would spin. If I spin, I know I got the correct adjustment. The other thing I can do is the tapping sound. Now, if I don't have my dull sound anymore, I got more of a ringing tone. It means I have the correct adjustment and my brakes won't drag. So that is the quickest and easiest way to do this. Get your alignment set properly, but what you have to do after that is measure. Grab yourself a tape measure, measure from the bottom of your air chamber to your pin. Check the distance there. Check it on the other side as well. They should match up. It should be exactly the same on the same axle. Now when you apply the brakes, if the parking brake is engaged and you apply the brakes, they will travel a little bit, maybe less than a quarter of an inch, but you'll get more travel when the brakes are not applied. But both of these should be exactly the same when you apply the brakes. You don't want any differences here. So if you do have a difference, you need to readjust. So that's how you do a brake adjustment. Thank you for your time.